One of the very important concept which you use frequently in AutoCAD is the set of measure tools that may be for inquiring the length of the object, maybe the area, or maybe other measuring sequences like the radius or angle. So this set of command tools are used in 2D. You can see the distance, radius, angle and area, as this is a pure 2D drawing, and this 3D options you can use in your 3D model, but we'll be using these 4 options. Those are most popularly known as the inquiry commands. So let us start using this distance option. If you click this distance option, you can click 2 points and you can measure the distance. Here you can see the distance, and you can directly switch to other options like radius, angle also. If I'll go to the radius, I can directly click the radial object where I can see the radius as well as the diameter, and also I can switch to the angle option for checking the angle. Let us say this is my first object and this is my second object, and directly you can see the angle. This is one of the very important options which you use for inquiring the length and your angle and radius. I'll go for exit. But one of the major enhancement which AutoCAD 2012 has been made is the color notations during your area calculations, and you can calculate your gross area also. If you go to area, directly you can pick the corners 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you can go to right click and you can go to enter. You can see the gross area, and sometimes you need to calculate by subtracting some areas as well. In this particular case, you have to use a particular technique. You go to right click and you go to add areas, and I'm adding this master outside area as my base reference, and right click and go to enter. Then again go to right click and go to subtract areas. This area I cannot pick the boundary points, so I'll go to the object and I will pick this point which I need to subtract. And now if you go to right click, you will get the gross areas in your cursor, and also the circumference which is available. This is one of the very new additions or the options enhancement which you can see in AutoCAD 2012. And also sometimes you need to know the point definition, where you can do just by typing ID enter, you can know the point definition. If you click this, you can see X and Y values from this global 00, how far it is, and here also you can see this particular values. So this type of inquiry options are very useful when you do the calculations and you do the measuring in your drawing.